I'll be like directing you. You pull it from the base.
From the base.
So it will be practice to you because I am habituated, but it must be habituated to you. Okay, hold it. Okay, first Europods you can take it from the base.
From here, ma'am.
From the base you can take. Still more harder. That is a Europod. Here you hold it. Yes. Yes. Pull it. This is the one. You'll keep it.
This one will take.
That is not. This one is the another.
Okay.
This is the another. Okay. This is last abdomen segment. This one. This is the sixth one. Okay. So this is we are calling like a telson.
Okay.
So that is let it be.
So this is also a segment of abdomen.
Sixth one. This one.
Okay.
This is the sixth one. First 5 will be here.
Okay.
Okay. First 5 will be there, and this is the 5 pairs of appendages, pleopods. This is the Europod we are taking.
Okay.
Hold it at the base. Let it not break anywhere. Gone. Okay, like this. Not normally you have to next time. Okay, still more here you have to like this. It has to come.
Okay.
It's okay, no problem now. One more we are having now, that we will do it. Like this.
Okay.
Done.
Yes.
So now here when you are holding this one, this is actually you can make it like this straight of this one. No problem to this. And keep it like this, and then here from the base you have to pull it from the base here. Okay. You insert your this thing forceps inside, and from the base you hold it like this and then pick it. Okay, like this.
Okay.
Like this you have to, this you practice.
I'll remove my watch, ma'am. I'll get wet.
You practice now. This one. Okay. Which side will be the nervous system for this? Okay, invertebrates.
For invertebrates, nervous system is on ventral side.
Ventral side. So you can see that white line thing, no?
This one.
This is actually that white line one is, no? That is actually that.
Nerve cord.
So that's what we will do, that like this the experiment to show that nervous system, because if you cut this side the nervous system going to be broken. So that's what we'll see. Okay, done. Now you practice this. So this is first, last pair we are removing. Okay, that is pleopods. Base, go with the base. Yes, hold it. No problem if it goes also.
Okay.
You pair with this, like this.
Next one. This one I'll do.
That. We have to arrange while you are keeping also. Now we don't have that thing, pin pad we don't have.
Okay.
So that's what you have to arrange while keeping itself. They will check that how you are holding, how you are doing, everything. Marks will be there. So like that, when you are arranging, you just pair up with that same thing.
Same sig.
Same sig. Yes. Towards you also you can keep it.
Video editing.
No, Papa is taking. Girl is taking. Okay. 2144 88. You are recording my phone, nothing. My phone password you are recording. Good. He's doing good now. See.
Yes, thank you.
Ma'am told that centimeter clue is enough to you, James. Kilometer you will do it, James. Man told. You are so intelligent like that.
is the last one, I think.
I want to tell you. And here is there no. This is also important when they are asking.
Which one,
You
ma'am?
correctly done it. 1 minute also. This wing like structure. Okay.
The second one.
This is plica or something they will call it. Okay, this one. Along the first one will be having. The second one is also is having. Third one will be this like a bigger one.
Okay.
Okay. So till the third it will be there. Fourth. This is also is having.
Okay. Fifth one will not.
Will not be there. Is there? Not there. Is there? Okay. All the things are there, but this is important.
Okay.
Okay.
It becomes smaller as you go
This is
back.
very very delicate. The first one. So you want.
Okay.
Done. This is over now. Now this abdomen base pleopods we have been taken. This is the
Yes, ma'am.
pleopods and this is the uropod. Okay. Now we have to go here. That is cleaved and non-cleaved. You have to find it out first.
This is cleaved.
Cleaved. Okay. Non-cleaved also will be there. That you have to see. The last one will be non-cleaved.
Okay.
This one. When they are asking you something means you take another one. Don't show with the forceps. Okay, you take like a pointed object. With that you take. So this is non-cleaved. You can see that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Name itself non-cleaved appendages.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The last will be there, and after that also will be there. See, this is also non-cleaved, which we are. So first you separate it like this. Then you can show to them whenever
Okay.
they are asking. Okay.
So using this.
Like that you have to show. Yes sir, this is sir, like that. Okay. While you are removing, you are going to be do with this. While you are pointing out, you keep aside and then take another one.
Okay.
And this is what this is what this, like that you have
One
to show.
more this thing is also there. This one
Anything
is-
you can use
okay.
it. No problem. Okay. Okay. So now one I am going to be removed. The remaining you have to practice.
Okay.
So at the base you are holding it and then you are removing it.
Okay.
This is which we done it now. This is
The last one.
non-cleaved.
Non-cleaved.
Okay. So the remaining you try. Okay. Non-cleaved we are removing.
From the base again.
From the base. Hold it that base. You still more let your thing go inside the tissue.
Okay.
Otherwise it will break. No problem. It's dead one only. It will not cry out. So that's why. Usually children will feel like it may feel pain or something like that. Sensitive minds. No? So that's why. Good. Yes. Paid it out. Pay it. Find it out which is a cleaved and non-cleaved. So that's what here. This is both are non-cleaved. Next you are going to be do now cleaved.
Cleaved.
Name itself cleaved appendages will mention. Base you hold. There will be more students. You should not get tension. Okay? Coolly you do there. If you do some sort of a tension and gets panic, then what happen? It will break because jointed appendages. Somewhere it breaks means again minus marks or something it will be there. Cleaved. Yes. You're doing very nicely. Mom told whatever it's a correct only. Centimeter is enough for you to do that kilometer thing.
Yeah.
I'm giving good compliment, boy. Huh?
think some things are coming.
Yes, this is also important.
These two are like joined together, ma'am. This and this.
Together you take.
Okay, together I'll take it out.
Together you take. We will arrange it and then we'll take a photo. Ma'am, and that is there, no? What is that? Prawn appendages parts I need. You used to show in your. This is here iPad. Appendages parts names. This one, this extra structure name. I like that.
You can see Google. You can touch it properly.
I'll keep this one.
Keep
This is-
joint you keep it.
This is with
Then
this.
you keep it.
Okay, I'll keep it together.
Together only keep it. We have to arrange these two together.
And this one and this one.
This one. This one and this one.
तोते किस लागू नहीं था डर लगा नहीं okay
What?
no ma'am, sometimes she'll get while going to the shop she'll be like I don't want to see this symbol.
You have to follow your bro, no? So you learn all those things. He is very what is that? Brave enough. Okay, good brother support you are having.
देख इड़ा देखा
Done? Then this you take, you pull it. This antenna. It's okay. Antenna you pull it.
again from the basement.
From the base only you have to go. From the base only you have to go. Antenna. Wait a minute. Along with this you pull it. Along with this you pull
This
it.
one also.
Along with that you pull it. Very good. Along, still more base you go. Still more base you go.
Smart.
My time coming.
You do it.
Sometimes it happens. So, small girl, you don't look there. You will not eat again. So, from here I am taking.
Okay.
From here I am
Okay.
I am holding here and then I am pulling it out. Because here is like a little harder it is.
We can use some knife.
We can
scissors.
use it. Scissors also we can use it. But the base part will go off, no? So
Okay.
that's what we are using. We will use the scissors when we are cutting it. And this is forceps we will use to remove this one out. That is also logical. Which thing you are using also marks.
Okay, which instrument we are using?
Using for to do this one. This and all marks will be there. So that you will be alert with that. This is together it has to come like this. Okay? You do this one.
There's one sheet kept.
You wash your hand. Here you keep it.
Okay.
Ring finger also. You keep it. This side turn. This side.
No, it's fine, ma'am. It's fine.
Now you feel comfortable. That I need, madam. I left it there.
For keeping this and taking
Yes, yes,
photo,
I'll take.
that one I'll cut and give it to you.
That parts I need there. Take my mobile and then parts of prawn.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, done. Okay, that's it. Now you go with that antennules. This is antennule. This.
Eyes will remove, ma'am.
Eyes will remove. No, antennules you take.
Okay. From here?
Slow. Okay. Give to me. Everything is coming. It's very soft tissue.
Okay. Anti-knees.
And yeah,
Prawn रो brain थे
Nervous system थे.
brain there, but very little there. So actually, the nervous system itself behaves as a brain here. Supraesophageal ganglion will be there.
Oh, eyes also came out.
Came out. It's okay. So that itself will be acting as a brain. So special brain won't be there in the insects. But when compared with all the invertebrates, your brain, we will use the word. Okay. So brain has been developed here little bit advanced like that arthropods. Okay. So that's what. We got it right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here is that mouth parts.
Which
These
one,
are-
ma'am?
These are all those things. Mouth
Okay,
parts.
okay.
We will see that this is one thing. Mandibles. One more also. Here it is.
It came out. So
It's okay, no problem. It made our work easy.
Yes.
See here it is one more. Mandibles, this is.
Okay.
Okay.
How to identify which is mandible, which is maxilla?
Like more larger one will be there, no? So that
Hmm.
one will be mandible.
Okay.
Okay. And here. This is maxilla. Hey, that is maxilla. This is mandible.
Okay.
Lower one is that. So together it came, but you have to do it with the separately.
Okay.
Separate it has to
So
come.
each part I have to do separately.
Separate it to this is a pair like you have to consider it.
Okay.
Okay. This is together it came. No issue. So that one. And then I missed this one. Just like cockroach only here is also. Okay. What is this different also? I'll make him to read now. Okay, wait. That's it, ma. You done it. Okay.
Okay. Anything else we have to see? This is the part which you told in the
Rostrum.
rostrum.
This is rostrum. This is cephalothorax.
Yes.
Okay. This is cephalothorax. Carapace also can mention it. This is rostrum. This is zigzag thing.
Yes.
So that's about here.
That is for defense purpose, no?
Defense purpose this
Okay.
will be. And make the swimming will be in a particular
Streamline.
direction. Streamline. Ma'am, this you have to arrange in that, and you have to show that one by one. He will read it and he will do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. That white color